Hey guys, Don Martone here, Century 21 Northeast Managing Partner, Broker Associate. I am here live in West Warwick, River Farms Condominium community. And you know when I say live, I mean new listing. This condo on the market, coming soon. 2-bed, 2 full bath, and a half bath. Brand new flooring, new heating system, updated kitchen, balcony, patio, directly across the street from Midville Country Club, pool, sauna, clubhouse. This condominium has everything you need, from the soaring ceilings and skylights to that finished below grade man cave with a patio, deck, walkout. You can do absolutely anything and anything in this condominium. This market is absolutely insane right now. It's gonna go fast. Give me a call today, 401-954-0270. Martone Moves, Century 21 Northeast. We'll talk to you soon.